Hello, welcome back to my channel, Nasa Uganda. In today's video, we are going to prepare pilau with rice and meat beef, so we can enjoy together when I'm cooking. And those who are new on my channel, please consider subscribing, like, share, turn on the notification bell, or always be notified whenever I put a new video. Thank you. We can prepare our pilau. This is our meat, beef. I'm cutting it small pieces, and I want to boil it in water first. African village life. Here in our village, a woman cooking for the family. I'm going to first wash the meat. After washing it, then I put in my saucepan. This is our water. We can wash. This is the water. I'm going to put our meat. We put salt in our meat so that the meat can be tasty. And we cover the saucepan. We are cutting the onions for our rice. I think the onions are enough. This is our cooking oil fortune. So what I'm going to use. Our cooking oil is getting ready. We can add the onions. These are spices. We have ginger, flour masala. We made it a paste. We are going to add. I removed it from fire. It is too much. It's still on small fire. I'm going to add garlic. This is garlic. Our meat is ready. I'm going to put it in our ready the onions which I've found. See? It's ready. So we add beef. Adding, this is beef masala. We are adding some little water. We are adding rice. This is our washed rice. We are going to add water. We are adding water. This is milk water which we had kept aside for the beans. Have not measured, but hope since it is 1 kilogram of rice, we put 5 cups of water and cover the rice for it to get ready after we serve and eat. I'm now preparing juice to take when we are eating our pilau. We shall enjoy together. Please don't miss this pilau. Don't leave the video. Keep watching. Keep there. We have lemons, we have beetroot, we're going to add. I'm mixing everything. So we are going to blend. We are taking the electricity. We're blending. Our pilau is ready. We are going to serve and eat. This is how it looks like. The rice was prepared. You can taste and see if it is good. Guys, come we eat our pilau. Subscribe. We love you. Let me take my supper. See you next time. I love you.